What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be an unboxing slash costume review slash DIY upgrade. So this year we're working with hauntingly and we saw they have an exclusive costume of the Pumpkin King. Last year, we made a DIY Halloween prop, which you see here, the Pumpkin King Scarecrow. It's a DIY Scarecrow, right?
Right.
You know, the Pumpkin King is one of our favorites. There's no animatronics of him. So we did the DIY video. This year we saw they got a costume of the Pumpkin King. Retails for $69.99. Don't forget, this year we're working with hauntingly and we got a special discount. Save you 15% off. You can find that link in our video description. Yeah, we got the whole Nightmare Before Christmas kind of Halloween prop collection.
Oh yeah.
We've done the unboxing videos. We got the Jack, we've got the Sally, we got the Oogie Boogie.
Dr. Finkelstein.
Right, this year HalloweenCostumes.com exclusive Dr. Finkelstein. Sweet addition to the collection. If you want to check out those videos, you can find them in our Halloween animatronics playlist.
Without further ado, we're gonna jump into the costume, look at it, check it out, and dress up our Scarecrow prop.
All right, let's check it out.
Ooh, a little squished.
Nice.
As you guys see, the Pumpkin King mask, it looks like. First impressions, looks like it has a skull, maybe a little time to breathe outside the bag. The gloves look good, as you guys can see, has a cool straw texture and has extra long fingers.
Nice. It's nice padding on there too, right?
Next up, we're getting into the actual costume. Starting off with the shirt, looks cool. Feeling the shoulders, it feels like it has some extra padding for shoulder pads. Moving on down to the pants. Looks nice, as you guys can see, you have this like rope that goes all the way around the leg. Looks great, has that straw feeling to it.
Yeah, the pants are pretty nice. I love the printing in that fabric. They actually have like padding here in the rope areas that go around the leg, which is nice. You've also got the padding in the fingers, which looks good. Let's try that on. They fit a little shallow. You can see it barely comes down.
Mine does not fit at all.
Yeah, you gotta really jam them in there. We did order a size large. I wonder if we should have gotten an extra large.
Considering I can't fit my thumb through the thumb.
I'm gonna try it on.
Oh, this is tight.
Nice shoulder pads.
I typically go for a large or extra large. This is a large though, and it is very tight, so good thing I'm not wearing it, but it would be nice to have the option.
Yeah, it looks like everything in this costume does run a little small.
But the mask looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it has a Night for Christmas jack-o'-lantern sculpt in it.
The classic jack-o'-lantern.
Wow, a complete costume, look at that. First impressions, the pants seem great. The shirt feels great, the different accents on it. The only thing that seems bad so far is one, the warping in the mask, which is from us unboxing. You probably need to heat it up like you said. But also I noticed that the fingers, like ours was so weird. So it's like gets cut off, especially at the thumb. Kind of hard to put your fingers in it and like move it. You're kind of moving it with your fingertips. So.
The mask is cool, but wearing it is gonna be a little tricky. It's very hollow, so it's gonna bounce around. The gloves, I do wish they had more that came down to cover the wrists. But you know, once you put it on, it's okay. It just doesn't feel good the way the fingers go. They don't go all the way in. Let's see the pants. The pant size are okay. They are a little tight, but you know, they're large. In the waist, you got some stretch in there, but I do like the material. I think the print quality looks great. I do wish this little shirt came down a little further. Yeah, I should have gotten a bigger size, but the costume's pretty nice. Let's get it off.
The execution seems good. With like the different padded elements with the straw and such. Like we said earlier, get a bigger size for sure. I think I just heard something rip, so.
Yeah, it is a little tight. I ripped a little bit.
Okay.
So jumping into the build on our Scarecrow, if you want to see the full video of this guy, we'll put the link in our video description.
For now, we'll give you a quick overview of that video, showing you guys how he's built. Looks cool, relatively easy to make.
Yeah, here you can see when we built this Halloween animatronic. Really fun build. We made it in our garage, picked up a bunch of materials from the dollar store, Home Depot. Basically, we went with the PVC structure. We had a chair base laying around, which we used. and picked up some clothes. It came out really cool. We also did a DIY video, how to carve these pumpkins. This one came out pretty sweet.
Oh yeah.
If you want to see that video, check our Halloween decorations playlist, our DIY Halloween. We got a lot of pumpkin carving videos. All right, so we got the costume. We're gonna swap out some elements. I think we'll do the head last.
Yeah.
And see how he looks with his new costume. Take this arm and everything. So for the pants, we're just gonna slide them over our old pants. If you're doing this, you're just gonna wanna stuff these pants. Get a little bit of that straw poking out, would be good. So the way we built them, we actually have the connection here at the hip. So PVC, the arms just pop out. We'll slide that back in, hold it in place. You see where it connects here? And we'll get this over here. Last but not least, yeah, this pumpkin head goes on top.
Let's see, can we just swap it out, swap it on top? Surprisingly well. Granted, you could do some forming and fixing up a little, but it looks like it's kind of...
I wonder if just like a heat gun will help it. All right, there he is with the head kind of leaning forward. It still doesn't look great. We got to stuff that pumpkin, but it does give the vibe. Jack the Pumpkin King,
yeah.
Right? The costume works perfectly. I think for 70 bucks, you get some cool fabric. I love the printing on the straw. That was the hardest part of our DIY, was trying to pull off the straw. Nice to be able to just pick up a sweet costume of the Pumpkin King. It'll get you halfway through your project like that.
Yeah, for people who are trying to like make this one, definitely buy the costume. Don't go grabbing palm tree leaves. You have crap all over the floor every year.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Yeah.
The costume looks great. The mask, I'm not sure if we're gonna go with this head or our original carved pumpkin head.
We'll figure it out.
Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. Either way, the costume is great. For a DIY Pumpkin King Scarecrow, it's gonna save you a lot of time. It nails the costume. I think it's great. If you wanna pick it up, check for links in our video description. We also have a DIY Nightmare Before Christmas tree video. This is gonna look great next to it. It'll be nice to have him with the other animatronics and the tree for Christmas.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching.
And we'll see you next time.